of 170 to 180 amps under healthy and new condition, but the same cable with multiple joints would be having a current capacity, carrying capacity of only 90 to 100 amps. Is it right or wrong? If I'm wrong, I will be corrected again, sir. Sir, all the age-old KV underground cables with multiple joint needs to be replaced immediately. Requirement is 100 kilometers in Old City. Example in Chandrayanagutta substation, sir, 8 numbers of underground cable are existing. In the month of November 2015, there were no supply continuously for 18 hours because of cable failure, sir. 18 hours, sir. Continuously there was no supply. Like 3 days back, sir. Again, 7 hours we didn't have power supply in Old City. This is the real situation, sir. Mandi Miralam area, Mogalpura area, Malakpet area. 7 hours, sir. Late in the night at 12 o'clock, I had to call SC. I spoke to him. Then he said, we have this problem, sir. This is the major problem. We'll attend it. And at 2 o'clock in the night, again, we had power and we had current, sir. So this is the problem which we need to understand, sir. And also, sir, the major problem in Old City is that, sir, in order to cater the peak summer demand, the enhancement for all 8 MVA power transformers in all 33 by 11 kV substation is necessary, sir. And a peak load of 300 amps to 33 kV side and unscheduled load relief power cut for 1 hour above is due to overload, which I had earlier said. So we need to see this, sir. And also, sir, hence the enhancement of all power transformers from 8 MVA to 12 MVA needs to be effected immediately before the end of January 2017. In the name of load relief, power cuts are being imposed for hours and people are suffering, sir. And also, sir, I would like to say that examination season is coming, sir. Students would be preparing for their exams. In Old City, sir, because of the fees reimbursement and scholarship and awareness, many children want to get educated. They are coming forward. So we need to see that the power supply is uninterrupted, not only, I would say, just in Old City, but in Hyderabad city, in entire state, sir. All our children will be going for the examinations. तो उनके एग्जाम्स के वक्त उनके प्रिपरेशन में कोई तकलीफ ना हो, ऐसी चीज हमको देखना करना चाहिए साहब, और इस पर जो भी जरूरी इक़दामात करने वो करने चाहिए जिसके जरिए तालीम पे कोई असर ना हो सर. और सर, and when I talk about this examination and also about the students' preparation for examination, sir, through you I would like to bring to the kind notice of the government and the power minister, sir. Sir, many schools in state of Telangana do not have power. The power has been cut because they have not paid the bill. Sir, kindly, government schools I'm saying, government schools. Sir, kindly I request, at least for this 3 months, till the examinations are finished, kindly just give them the power. बिजली दे दीजिए वापस उनको. 3 महीने के बाद जो कार्रवाई करना है करिए. I have the list, I don't want to go into the details, sir. कितने गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस को आप रिलीफ दिए, कितने गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस के पैसों को माफ करे, कितने गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस के सरचार्ज को माफ करे आप. आई हैव द एंटायर लिस्ट. तो आप ये स्कूल्स को करिए, इससे बच्चों की तालीम पे एक अच्छा होगा. एक मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है. सो द टोटल रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर LT is 70 square millimeter cable for narrow lanes of Old City, sir, was approximately 200 kilometers. But despite repeated demands, the officials have allotted only a meager 25 kilometers to Old City. And this demand is pending for the last 2.5 years. I request that kindly look into this, sir. And also, not a single improvement work has been taken up under the improvement since April 2016, sir. So officials are always saying that non-availability of budget as a reason. Now the budget is there. Paisa bhi hai. Kindly give that, sir. So my party MIM are always demanded for enhancement of LT distributed transformers. And once again, not a single transformer has been enhanced from 314 kVA to 500 kVA or 160 kVA to 315 kVA, sir. Sir, the TSS PDCL is only interested in procuring 100 kVA new transformers, sir. Why are they not procuring the other transformers is the question, sir. Kindly give them instructions, sir, to procure the 315 kVA, 500 kVA or 160 kVA to 315 kVA transformers. This is very important. They are not doing this procurement, sir. And because of that, we are not able to replace and enhance, sir. So severe problems are faced by the people of Old City during the holy month of Ramzan also, sir. And earlier this year, many power cuts had happened, sir. And Honorable President of my party, Barrister Asaduddin Owaisi Saab, had also made a representation. He went and met also. But still, the problems are still there. I hope that now these problems will be attended. And 100 kVA transformer is capable, I have already said, sir, on emergency. Sir, and when I talk about these transformers, sir, I have been repeatedly requesting, sir, that we need a transformer repair shed in Old City. Sir, when a transformer breaks down, the transformer goes to Erragada for repair. And it takes weeks and many days for that transformer to get repaired and come back to Old City. Why can't we have a transformer repair shed in Old City? For that, I have met the Honorable Collector, allotted the land also. In spite of land being allotted, why the work is not started there is a question mark. If the transformer shed is there in Old City, immediate repair works can be taken up. This is very important, sir, and I hope this will also be addressed, sir.
Please,
So there is no...
Please conclude.
Sir, I'm just finishing, sir. Hardly 3 to 4 minutes, sir. So 133 kVA substation sanctioned from last 2 years in Ballagoda. अब तक उसका काम नहीं शुरू हुआ साहब. 2 साल हो गए सैंक्शन दिए पावर मिनिस्टर साहब, लेकिन हुआ नहीं साहब. साहब ये मिधानी बस डिपो कंचनबाग के पास है. 133 kVA के लिए मैं बार बार रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं. उम्मीद करता हूं कि ये मिधानी के पीछे लैंड भी दे चुके हैं, वहां पर भी नहीं हुआ साहब. ये गौस नगर में 33 kVA का है, उसके लिए भी दिए, वो भी नहीं हुआ है सर. सर 1 acre ऑफ लैंड IS सदन पे दिए, बाउंड्री वॉल उठाया गया 33 kVA की लाइन के लिए, वो भी नहीं हुआ सर. और मेजर प्रॉब्लम जो ओल्ड सिटी में है साहब, ये 33 kV के लाइंस घरों के ऊपर से जाते हैं साहब. उसके लिए वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड एन एस्टिमेट फॉर मेट्रो जोन, रंगारेड्डी जोन. मतलब कि पूरा हैदराबाद हाईटेक सिटी भी अगर आप लेंगे तो टोटल जो एक्सपेंडिचर आएगा सिर्फ ये घरों के ऊपर से जाने वाले वायर का 248. इसको इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में थोड़ा रिलीज करिए. इसको अगर रिलीज करेंगे आप, इसके जरिए कुछ काम कर सकते हैं. सर पेटला बुरुज में भी लैंड दिया गया, लेकिन लैंड देने के बाद भी आज तक भी पेटला बुरुज में काम स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वहां पर भी काम को शुरू करें साहब. ये मोहम्मद नगर में ईदी बाजार में रेलवे ट्रैक के पास I had gone to the collector, got an order. The land has been given 2 acres of land for a 33 kVA transformer. आज तक भी वहां पे काम शुरू नहीं हुआ. गौस नगर में भी है, नहीं हुआ साहब. Bunch cable we need, sir. Bunch cable needs to be supplied to the department. 20 kilometers are required only for Chandrayaan Gutta. 100 kilometers देंगे आप old city को. At least for now, we can do something. Kishan Bagh में sir. Sir, through you I would like to request Honorable Municipal Administration Minister Saab, sir. Is that, sir, myself and my brother and a party president, Barrister Asaduddin Owaisi Saab, had met Honorable Chief Minister Saab. He had promised and said that कि किशन बाग में GHMC की लैंड है, वो 132 kVA सबस्टेशन के लिए देंगे. सर 1 साल हो गया साहब नहीं दिए. Honorable Minister for Municipal Administration is here. Through you I would like to request to him to kindly make a note of this. किशन बाग में अगर दे दिए तो ये वहां पर भी काम शुरू हो सकता है सर. So the Energy Minister has also stated the power utilities have reduced, sir, transmission and distribution losses by 1%, staggering the loads to 24 hours of the day, increase the generation through power plants, sir. Sir, made short-term power purchase agreement purchase from power exchange. These measures have led to substantial improvement in power supply in the state, sir. The Energy Minister has also spelled out the measures for augmentation of thermal power capacity by 5,800 megawatts at a cost of 37,600 crores and strengthening the transmission and distribution network in the state at an investment of 42,000 crore.
Please
however,
conclude,
this is, sir, I'm finishing, sir. Just 2 minutes, sir. Sir, however, there is an urgent need for completing the work relating to 400 kVA ring system around GHMC area by erecting 400 kV lines and setting up 6 number of 220 kV substations in twin cities, sir. Sir, all MIM legislatures have met. The chairman Raghuram Reddy Saab and other top officials, we have discussed, sir, about establishment of new 220 kV, 132 kV, 33 by 11 kV substation. We had also discussed about augmentation and transmission, sir. I would like to point that improvement of power supply is needed and it has been done. But at the same time, sir, I once again request a meeting can be called of Old City legislature so that personally we can meet them, sir. And in my concluding paragraph, sir, I would like to conclude by saying that in the past 2 years, sir, the power tariff has been hiked 2 times. From April 1st, 2015, the power tariff has been hiked by 4.42% of the consumers with consumption of about 200 units per month. The power tariff hike affected the consumers steeply as they had to shell out additional 816 crores on the new tariff during financial year 2015 and 16. Again, with effect from July 1st, 2016, the power tariff was hiked by 7.5%, placing an additional burden of 1,527 crores on consumers, and only those consuming less than 100 units per month have been spared from the hike, sir. If we have to calculate this, sir, the total hike has been 1,343 crores, sir. And once again, the third power tariff, since the formation of Telangana state is on the cards, the two power distribution companies are proposing a tariff hike to place an additional burden of 2,000 crores from the consumers during the forthcoming financial year of 2017 and 18, sir. So DISCOM have already filled their annual revenue requirement of the State Electricity Regulatory Commission, sir. And if we have to see this three enhancements, sir, it will be 4,343, sir. I conclude with a request to the government to not to impose the third power tariff hike on the consumers, as they are already affected badly by the earlier two hikes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.